As tensions between India and Pakistan reach a boiling point, the country braces for the worst. In an unprecedented move, the Union Home Ministry has directed all states to conduct security drills on Wednesday, the first time since 1971. The national capital is on high alert. Ahead of the drills, civil defense teams and police carried out rehearsals today. Residents will be moved to metro stations in the absence of bunkers in the capital.
When you hear these siren rates, what happens in many countries, the people immediately run to the subways because right after the air siren rates, you barely get a few seconds, and that's an alarm. And immediately when the evacuation orders, what happens in these countries, that people immediately rush to these subways or the basement. These areas can also be potentially helpful during the mock drills. If there is an air attack, if there is a projectiles come in, rocket attack, or the fighter just targeting the installations, the people can also, as it happens in many countries, the people can also take shelter in these subways because they are extremely strong. And as we see the lakhs of the ton of the weight passing through over it, these areas also work as a safe center.
Security has been visibly ramped up in key areas of Delhi, including Connaught Place. Barricades are in place, vehicles are being checked, and drones are monitoring from above, all part of a heightened state of vigilance.
इस वक्त हम लोग मौजूद हैं दिल्ली के कनॉट प्लेस इलाके के इनर सर्किल में। यहाँ की आप अगर तस्वीर देखेंगे तो अंदाज़ा लगाया जा सकता है कि किस तरीके की तैयारी है, किस तरीके से अलर्ट है प्रशासन। आप देखिए इनर सर्किल में दोपहर के वक्त वर्किंग डे में आप यहाँ पर बैरिकेड देखेंगे और बैरिकेड पर आपको पुलिस नहीं बल्कि आपको सीमा सुरक्षा बल बीएसएफ के जवान यहां पर तैनात नजर आएंगे। बीएसएफ के तमाम अधिकारी, पुलिस के जवान भी यहां पर मौजूद हैं और साथ ही साथ बीएसएफ और सीआरपी के जवान यहां पर मौजूद हैं।
To further bolster preparedness, a long-range acoustic device or LRAD has been brought to the Delhi Police Headquarters. LRAD is capable of making announcements over a kilometer. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi met National Security Advisor Ajit Doval today, second time within 24 hours. With the threat of conflict looming, India is bolstering its shield, signaling that when it comes to national security, there will be no room for error.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.